right, freshmen, you will be doing a theme notebook for the Merchant of Venice. You will be working on it today and tomorrow. So the objective here, you're going to create a project that will articulate themes from the play, and you're also going to make connections to modern day. And how will you do that? Well, let's follow along. Okay, so first of all, what is a theme notebook? This project will discuss themes found in the play and how these themes can be found in various ways in media and literature today. So you want to make connections to modern day literature, not another Shakespeare play, modern day literature. Step 1, you will create a cover. So the title of the project, which is Theme Notebook, the title of the play, Merchant of Venice, the date, it will be due next Thursday, so notice the date there, and then some type of illustration on the cover. You can do this project all on paper, or you can do a Google presentation or some other type of presentation. That option will be up to you. So those who don't have computer access at home, don't do this on a computer. All right, step 2 is the introduction. You need to explain the background of the play and the time period, and you need to explain why this play is considered a comedy. This should be at least 150 pages. Step 3, select 2 themes from the play. You can discuss greed or prejudice or loyalty or revenge, betrayal or mercy. Of those, select 2. Okay, step 3 continued. I just chose kind of the theme of love. I know that's not in this play, but I chose that one as an example because I didn't want you copying me. Okay, so demonstrate how each theme applies to life and modern day. You're going to find 2 modern day examples for each theme, and you can find them in newspapers, song lyrics, books, movies, cartoons, poems, or even video games. So here, over here, then I have a poem. So this is an example. So you have to put that example on the page. So if it's song lyrics, I need the lyrics. If it's a book, make sure you list the book and, that kind of thing. All right, step 3 continued. Each example must be different. And we'll have 2 themes, so you'll have 4 different examples. What that means is if you choose greed, for greed, you now have to find 2 modern day examples of greed. And they have to be different examples. I can't use 2 movies. So maybe I will use an example from the news, a newspaper clipping, and I will use an example from a movie. So now that I've used a newspaper and a movie, I can't use those for the next theme. So for my next theme, maybe I'll use a poem and a book. So you'll have 4 different examples. So if we go back here, right here, so newspaper, song, lyric, book, movie, cartoon, poem, video game, okay? You can only use these items once. So it's one and done. All right. For each theme, you need its own title page. So my love, this would be the example. Okay, so I'm talking about the theme of love. So you could do a drawing of betrayal or something. Step 3 continued. For each modern day example, you have to explain the following. How did the item, how did the book, how did the poem, how did the song connect to the theme? So how does it represent greed? How does it represent betrayal? And then you have to explain how it connects to the play. How is it similar to the theme in the play? And each one of these needs to be 150 word minimum for each modern day example. So each of the 4 examples must be at least 150 words. Organization, you'll have the title page, and I forgot to put an introduction. So you'll have introduction, then a theme page like the one that said love, then the example, which could be a poem, and then explain. Example 2, song, explain, then another theme page for your second one, and then your other 2 examples. And each one of these must be at least 150 word minimum. Okay? If you have any questions, email me. I'll be out Thursday and Friday, but if you email me, I will be checking my email. I'm at a conference, so I can answer your questions via email. You have class time to work on it today and class time to work on it tomorrow, Friday. So bring materials with you if you want to start working on an actual project. Look for those things, be ready, write rough drafts. And the entire project will be due again next Thursday. All right, good luck. Can't wait to see what you guys do.